There are many things to consider when choosing which school to attend, including what's a good fit, majors offered, and location. However, one of the most important factors is how much the school will cost, both each year and the total cost of your education. Comparing financial aid offers and understanding net cost can help you make an affordable decision. We'll help you figure out how to do that.
Once you've applied for financial aid and offered admission, the school will send you a financial aid notification. A financial aid notification is a communication from the school letting you know how much financial aid they can offer if you attend that school. Financial aid offers look very different from each other, but have many of the same parts. To understand aid offers in more detail, watch our Understanding Financial Aid Offers video, linked below. Pro tip: applying for financial aid as early as possible after October 1st each year will maximize your financial aid eligibility. For more information on filing the FAFSA, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out the Filing the FAFSA playlist and visit famemaine.com/FAFSA. Here are examples of financial aid offers from 3 different schools. When you look at each offer carefully, you'll see that they each include how much it costs to attend at that school, how much aid they're offering, when you would receive the financial aid, and how to accept it.
To determine if the school is affordable, you'll want to calculate the net cost. The net cost is the cost for you to attend that particular school minus any grants and scholarships for 1 year. Grants and scholarships are the best types of financial aid because they don't have to be repaid and they reduce your cost to attend that school. To calculate the net cost, you'll need to find the cost of attendance. We recommend focusing on the direct costs. Direct costs are the costs billed by your school, such as tuition and fees, as well as housing and food if you plan to live on campus. Next, figure out how much you'll be receiving in grants and scholarships. Make sure you're looking at the total amount you'll receive for the year. Finally, you'll subtract your grants and scholarships from your total direct costs. This will result in your net cost, or what it will cost you out of pocket to attend that school for 1 year.
Doing this for each school will give you an apples-to-apples comparison and help you determine which schools are going to be your most affordable options. This will be one of the deciding factors to help you narrow down your college choice. Use our Comparing Costs and Financial Aid Offers worksheet as a guide. You can download a copy or use the online version at famemaine.com. Another thing to consider when reviewing your financial aid offer is why you received each grant or scholarship. If you received a merit scholarship, one based on your grades or special talents, it might be renewable from 1 year to the next. If that is the case, make sure you know what you have to do in order to receive it in future years. Grants are typically awarded 1 year at a time based on your FAFSA, so be sure to file that FAFSA every year.
Once you've calculated the net cost for each school, you can weigh your options and consider how you'll pay the remaining balance.
Sometimes part of that plan is to borrow student loans. If you're looking to borrow to help pay that remaining balance, first consider a federal direct loan. Typically, all students will have a federal direct loan listed on their financial aid offer. Pro tip: if you're able to pay your balance with savings or a payment plan instead of borrowing, you'll save yourself money, as loans have to be repaid with interest and fees. The less you borrow, the better. If you're going to borrow, consider the total debt after graduation. Financial experts recommend that you don't borrow more for your entire education than your first year's salary. If you estimate what you'll need to borrow each year and then multiply that amount by the number of years it'll take you to get your degree, you'll have a rough estimate of your entire debt from that school. To get an estimated starting salary, visit careeronestop.org. This is a Department of Labor website that lists the estimated salary by location. Are you planning on living in Maine or going to head somewhere else after graduation? As well as listing the likelihood that there will be open positions in your dream job in the future. If your first year salary is less than what you anticipate borrowing, review your other options. Did you have another school on your list that would be a less expensive option? Can you live at home and commute instead of living on campus? Could you attend school close to home for 1 year and then transfer to complete your degree at another school? Remember that getting into college isn't the end goal. Your dream job is the end goal. Contact FAME if you need help looking into all your options. You can find more information on comparing financial aid offers and much more on our website at famemaine.com. And you can call us at 1-800-228-3734 or email us at education@famemaine.com.